We are heading out to our property today where we're going to be meeting with a few contractors. We're going to give us some estimates on what it's going to take to get the thing logged, and then we're going to make a campfire and clean up some deadfall around the yard. Okay, everything we need for today has been staged. Now we just got to load it into the car. This is pretty much the standard gear we take every time we go out to the property. Some tools for clearing out deadfall and deadwood, all the filming equipment, fire starting equipment, stuff for lunch.
As we drive up to what will soon be our home, our conversation changes between the practical and the personal, from which deadfall trees will be clearing to the simpler joys of life, like what's on the menu for lunch today. This is our journey, a blend of hard work and heartwarming moments as we build not just a house, but a home. As the journey unfolds, building our dream home isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about laying the foundation for memories one step at a time. Our immediate goal is to clear and excavate this land, transforming it into a canvas upon which our dream will take shape. Okay, so I've been playing around with the Wiral Lite cable cam, and let me tell you, this is a pretty cool piece of technology. The footage, super smooth. I mean, I was expecting decent results, but this is really cool. I've tested this unit out with my Sony ZV-1M2, iPhone, and GoPro. Everything works pretty much as advertised. With the Sony camera, it was also attached to a DJI RS3 Mini. Probably pushing that weight limit there of 3 pounds for the Wiral Lite, but it seemed to do just fine. Okay, so the bottom line is, would I recommend this? Yes and no. The cable cam for its money is good, right? It gets decent shots, they're relatively smooth, and you can shoot over an extended period of distance. I mean, I've ran out a line close to 330 feet, and the thing works superbly. The main benefit is if you're shooting under a tight canopy like we are, or within a close proximity to buildings, airports, that sort of thing, where drones necessarily won't work for you, and you're on a budget, I would definitely recommend this. table. Let's see if it holds.
Alright. Ooh. Early lunch, never hurt anyone.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I'm really hungry.
I am too.
I could eat.
Well, we didn't really have, like, our dinner time was kind of weird yesterday too.
It was. Close.
But that pizza was really good.
It was.
There we go. Oop. Oh, there we go. That sounds weird.
It's just heating up. Just let it burn for a second. So what has to happen is this pole, usually I do it with the torch, where the gas is coming from in the center there.
Yeah.
Has to heat this pole to actually vaporize the fuel. So it'll just take a sec.
The carrots I know are going to be al dente. It's going to be so hard to...
Get them to be cooked
yeah,
through.
because we don't have like a cap. So I'm trying to like put all the carrots to the bottom and leave like these things on top. Right? Because I don't want those to be on the bottom because they're going to be all mushy and gross. But the other things are fine. Right? Right. 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 Weird. Obviously. Alright. Tuck all those little veggies down there. Should we double plate it, or you think one's good?
Double. Just burn it off whatever's left in the pipe.
This is yours, so you have to tell me. Carrots. Gotta get you some broccoli. And a zucchini. Some more stickies. What's that?
Thanks, Debbie.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Good.
Ooh. What's that? What the heck is that?
It's a koozie.
Looks like a condom.
It's a koozie.
As the day drew to a close, I felt the urge to capture one last glimpse of the untouched expanse. Sending the drone soaring above the forest canopy, I wanted to freeze this moment in time. With development on the horizon, today might be one of my final chances to witness the woods in the pristine state, under the embrace of clear skies. It's a bittersweet feeling, knowing that this landscape will change. But as we move forward, we'll always have this memory, a reminder of the woods as they once were. Change is inevitable, but the memories you make, they endure.